Apollo 15, launched in 1971, marked a significant leap forward in our quest to unravel the mysteries of the Moon. This mission, the fourth to land humans on the lunar surface, represented a turning point in lunar exploration. Apollo 15 aimed not just to reach the Moon, but to truly understand it, the Apollo program. It stands as a testament to human ambition, ingenuity, and our unquenchable thirst for exploration. With each mission, we ventured further, learned more, and pushed the boundaries of what was possible. Apollo 15's crew conducted extensive research, setting the stage for future missions. It was a mission that redefined our understanding of the Moon and our place in the cosmos. Apollo 15 was tasked with exploring a region of the Moon vastly different from those visited by previous missions. The crew would be venturing into the Hadley-Apennine region, a site characterized by towering mountains and vast plains. This ambitious expedition would see the first use of the Lunar Roving Vehicle, allowing the astronauts unprecedented mobility to traverse the lunar landscape. But Apollo 15's significance stretched beyond its surface explorations. This mission also marked a significant step forward in our scientific understanding of the Moon, thanks to the deployment of a small but incredibly important piece of technology, the Apollo 15 Subsatellite. This small spacecraft, deployed in lunar orbit, carried a suite of instruments designed to study the Moon from above. It would provide us with a wealth of data, offering unprecedented insights into the Moon's composition, magnetic field, and environment. The discoveries made by the Apollo 15 subsatellite would prove to be groundbreaking. The success of any space mission hinges on the skill, dedication, and teamwork of the astronauts involved. Apollo 15 was no exception. The crew of Apollo 15, hand-picked for their expertise and experience, represented the best of NASA's astronaut corps. Each member brought a unique set of skills to the table, forming a formidable team ready to face the challenges of this ambitious mission. Leading the mission was David Scott, a veteran astronaut with previous experience on Gemini and Apollo missions. These astronauts would etch their names in the annals of space exploration, showcasing the pinnacle of human achievement in space. David Scott, a graduate of West Point and a seasoned pilot with the US Air Force, brought a wealth of experience to the Apollo 15 mission. His previous spaceflight experience, including a rendezvous mission on Gemini 8 and serving as lunar module pilot on Apollo 9, had earned him the respect of his peers and superiors alike. Scott's meticulous attention to detail and calm demeanor under pressure made him a natural leader. His leadership would prove invaluable as the crew faced unexpected challenges and made groundbreaking discoveries on the lunar surface. His passion for understanding our celestial neighbor would inspire a generation of scientists and space enthusiasts. Section 3, Alfred Worden, Command Module Pilot. While Scott and Irwin explored the lunar surface, I had an equally crucial, albeit solitary, role to play. As the Command Module pilot, Worden remained in lunar orbit aboard the command module named Endeavour. My task was to maintain the spacecraft, conduct observations of the Moon from orbit, and ensure everything was ready for the lunar module's return. Worden's journey was one of solitude, but his responsibilities were immense. I was the lifeline between my crewmates on the surface and mission control back on Earth. I conducted experiments, captured stunning photographs of the lunar surface, and meticulously documented my observations. Worden's scientific contributions were significant. Section 1, New Horizons and Exploration. Apollo 15 marked a significant evolution in lunar exploration, moving past the initial goal of simply landing on the Moon. This mission sought to explore the Moon's composition, history, and potential in greater detail. To meet these objectives, Apollo 15 was outfitted with advanced technologies and instruments, expanding the frontiers of space exploration. A key innovation was the lunar module's enhanced capacity, enabling a longer lunar stay and a heavier payload. This allowed astronauts to bring more scientific equipment and gather a wider variety of lunar samples. Section 2, the Lunar Roving Vehicle, a giant leap in mobility. The Lunar Roving Vehicle, or LRV, was a groundbreaking addition to Apollo 15's mission. This electric vehicle, often referred to as the moon buggy, allowed astronauts to traverse the lunar surface with ease, covering extensive distances and examining diverse geological features. The LRV was engineered to endure the harsh lunar conditions, navigate the rugged terrain, and transport essential scientific equipment. With the LRV, Scott and Irwin could explore areas of the Hadley-Apennine region that were previously unreachable. This enhanced mobility marked a significant advancement in lunar exploration. Section 3, Unveiling the Moon's Mysteries. Apollo 15 was equipped with advanced scientific tools aimed at exploring the Moon's hidden secrets. These tools, many of which were used for the first time, enabled astronauts to perform detailed studies of the lunar surface and its surroundings. A notable instrument was the gamma-ray spectrometer, which analyzed the lunar surface composition from orbit, revealing the Moon's geological past. This spectrometer allowed scientists to map the Moon's elemental distribution, offering clues about its formation and development. Additionally, the lunar surface gravimeter was crucial for measuring variations in the Moon's gravity field, enhancing our understanding of its internal structure. Section 1. A Silent Sentinel. While the world watched Scott and Irwin traverse the lunar surface in their rover, high above them, a silent sentinel orbited the Moon. This was the Apollo 15 Subsatellite, a small unmanned spacecraft deployed from the command module shortly after its separation from the lunar module. This small spacecraft, carrying a suite of scientific instruments, would become a powerful tool in our quest to understand the Moon. Its mission was to orbit the Moon, collecting data that would be impossible to gather from Earth or even from the lunar surface. The subsatellite, weighing just over 78 kilograms and measuring less than a meter across, was a marvel of engineering. This mission marked a significant leap in lunar exploration, showcasing the ingenuity and determination of humankind. Section 2. Mapping the Moon's Secrets. One of the primary objectives of the Apollo 15 subsatellite was to map the Moon's gravity field in unprecedented detail. This was achieved using a radio tracking experiment, where scientists on Earth would precisely monitor the subsatellite's orbit, detecting subtle variations caused by changes in the Moon's gravitational pull. These variations, known as gravity anomalies, could reveal a great deal about the Moon's internal structure, such as the distribution of mass and the presence of hidden features like buried craters or dense lava flows. The subsatellite carried a delicate accelerometer capable of detecting minute changes in its velocity caused by these gravity anomalies. These measurements, relayed back to Earth via radio signals, would allow scientists to create a detailed gravity map of the Moon. Section 3. Unseen Forces. The Apollo 15 subsatellite was designed to investigate an invisible force that significantly influences planetary environments, magnetism. Unlike Earth, the Moon does not have a global magnetic field. Yet, it shows regions of localized magnetism, hinting at a period when it might have had a stronger magnetic field. To explore these magnetic anomalies, the subsatellite was equipped with a highly sensitive magnetometer, capable of detecting minute variations in the Moon's magnetic field. As it orbited the Moon, this instrument meticulously mapped the magnetic anomalies, providing valuable data for scientists. This data has been crucial in understanding the Moon's magnetic history and its geological evolution. Section 1. Unraveling the Lunar Puzzle. The Apollo 15 subsatellite, orbiting silently above, gathered invaluable data, akin to an unseen archaeologist meticulously exploring an ancient city. This data, transmitted back to Earth as radio waves, contained crucial information to unlock some of the Moon's most enigmatic secrets. Scientists worldwide eagerly anticipated the subsatellite's transmissions, ready to decode the cosmic signals and assemble a more detailed understanding of our lunar companion. The emerging findings were revolutionary, challenging established theories and unveiling a moon far more intricate and dynamic than previously thought. Among the most notable discoveries was the confirmation of extensive lunar magnetism. Section 2. Echoes of a Volcanic Past. The gravity data, meticulously collected by the Subsatellite, provided another crucial piece of the lunar puzzle. As scientists analyzed the subtle variations in the moon's gravitational pull, they uncovered hidden structures beneath its surface, like archaeologists detecting buried ruins beneath layers of sediment. The data revealed massive concentrations of dense material, known as mascons, hidden beneath the lunar maria, the vast dark plains visible from Earth. These mascons, scientists theorized, were remnants of ancient volcanic activity, a time when molten rock from the moon's interior erupted onto its surface, filling giant impact basins and creating the maria we see today. The Subsatellite's findings provided compelling evidence for a moon that was once volcanically active, shedding light on its dynamic geological history. Indian male voice. The echoes of this volcanic past continue to intrigue scientists, offering a glimpse into the moon's fiery origins and its evolution over billions of years. Section 3, A Celestial Dance. The Apollo 15 subsatellite offered a profound perspective, a holistic view of the moon as a celestial body influenced by a complex interplay of forces. The instruments on board collected data that, when analyzed, showed a moon in constant interaction with its environment, responding to the gravitational pull of the Earth and Sun and bearing the marks of ancient cosmic events. The subsatellite's measurements of the lunar gravity field provided insights into the moon's internal structure and the distribution of mass within its core and mantle. This data, along with the magnetic anomaly maps, enabled scientists to develop more accurate models of the moon's formation and evolution. Section 1. Shaping Future Expeditions. The Apollo 15 mission, with its groundbreaking discoveries, set new benchmarks for future lunar expeditions. It wasn't just about reaching the moon, it was about delving into its complex history and preparing for a sustainable human presence. The lunar rover's success showcased the potential for extensive exploration, enabling future missions to cover more varied and scientifically rich areas. The extensive scientific data gathered by the astronauts and the subsatellite laid the groundwork for future research endeavors. Section 2. A Foundation for Exploration. Apollo 15's most significant contribution was its role in setting the stage for future lunar habitation. The mission's focus on scientific discovery, along with its technological advancements, showed that the moon could be a new frontier for human activity. The identification of resources like water ice in shadowed craters supported the idea of a sustainable lunar outpost, paving the way for future missions to Mars and beyond. The Apollo 15 mission, a symbol of human creativity and our quest for knowledge, emphasized that the drive to explore is limitless. Section 1. A Lasting Legacy. The Apollo 15 mission stands as a towering achievement in the history of human exploration. It signifies a pivotal moment when we shifted from simply reaching the moon to truly attempting to understand it. The crew of Apollo 15, through their courage, expertise, and unwavering dedication, expanded our understanding of our celestial neighbor and ignited a passion for lunar exploration that continues to burn brightly today. Their discoveries, from the volcanic secrets hidden beneath the lunar surface to the whispers of ancient magnetism, painted a new and complex portrait of the moon, prompting us to re-evaluate its history and its place in the cosmos. As we venture further into the solar system, the legacy of Apollo 15 serves as a powerful reminder of what we can achieve when we push the boundaries of human ingenuity and dare to explore the unknown. The spirit of exploration continues with missions from around the world, including India's remarkable achievements in space exploration. India's Mars Orbiter mission, for instance, showcases the nation's growing prowess in space technology and exploration.